Hello, hello. This is Pat with Petresca Papers. I am out in the Bluebird Bungalow, and I have a project. It's a very basic project. I have curated and created some very basic Christmas color papers for us to make an advent calendar of little doors. My thought is the little doors will be strung on just a piece of twine. I have a fireplace, so that's where mine will go, but they could go on a hutch, they could go on a piano, they could just go on a wall, they could go on the hooks that your stockings will eventually hang on. So I wanted to kind of go over this. This is a digital file. It will be available on my Etsy shop, which there will be a link below. It'll be a bit.ly link, which is a special way to shorten something that's like 3 lines long. And also, it will have a link to my Petresca Papers group, where from time to time there are free files that you can find and make use of. So let's get started. So what is in your kit? Well, there have to be some doors. And again, I'm staying very basic. Red, green, white. So here's the doors. This is a file that you will run through your computer on paper that you've already printed. Because wherever white is, we know our printers can't print white. They will only print these lines. So this looks familiar if you have bought the Gifty pockets. These are smaller. This is the size of them. So quite a bit smaller than the Gifty pockets. Could you use them to put money in? Oh, sure. Not so much a gift card. Let's see, I've got a gift card right here. Nope, no gift card. But that's the size, and the size is like 3 1/4 inches by 2 inches. Okay, so this is what they're going to look like, the size. And then I've given you a printout of activities. Now, I know these may not be things you want to do. This is a suggestion. I made a table and I put in different things, and some of them are repeated, like what I put in, watch a Christmas movie. There's more than one Christmas movie, so I put that in a couple of times. Different things that you can do with your family. Pardon me. Traveling did not agree with me. My cold came back. Not COVID. Took the test. So that's a good thing, I guess. Still is a problem. Anyway, I'm doing this for my husband and I. So, because we just sit like lumps on a log at night. So I thought we could go see Christmas lights, make Christmas candy, make cocoa with toppings, different things like that. So that's some ideas for you. That will be in your kit. And then I've got 10 sheets of green and red and white paper. So we've got the polka dot, my favorite, damask, plaid, another plaid that's just a single color plaid, red or green, and then like a candy cane stripe. So what I am doing is I am printing them, and then I'm printing something on the other side. And I chose one of the lighter ones that I can see well. So you can see I have printed this. So I ran both of these through the printer. I did the red polka dot and then the green stripe And then I ran it through again with the template. So now I have roofs down here, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets. There's only 4 roofs, but they're squares. So I think you can cut out squares to fit. They would be 2 by 2. Okay? All right. So let's turn these back over. I am not going to make this whole thing with you. I know you're disappointed, but we're going to put together a couple, and I'm going to jump down here and start with the red polka dot. Or am I? Let me see. I tried to match that red. I don't think so, because the red door, that's number 1, it wouldn't have to be, but I would like it to be. So I'm going to go with the green. All right. So every printer is different, and mine leaves me a white edge. My friend that I was just at her house in Las Vegas, her EcoTank prints borderless. I'm just in awe of that, but it still does not matter if you've got a white edge. So you'll cut them out. You can use your trimmer, and there is a middle line right here. I'm not worrying about this because that will tuck under this flap. I'm not worrying about this because the roof will tuck under it. So I am going to first fold where I can see the line. Okay. And even if you fold and you want these green stripes, you can distress, because I think these little pockets need some distressing. They need some love. Okay. Then we cut out that little V. This will make our activity easier to get out. And then I'm going to take it back this way. All right. And see where that white is? That's just going to flip over there. That's going to be covered up by the roof. So I am going to distress first because I want my little V to have some distressing on it. And we can actually distress that little white bit front and back just a little more. All right. Now, easy peasy, you're going to do a really, really fine bead of glue along the bottom. Okay. And then whichever one has the white, if it has white, fold that over first. And then put some of this right along there, some glue along there, and fold that over. Make sure you've got it stuck nicely. All right, and now I am going to cut. Let's see, what do I want? Because I've got roofs on all of them. I think I'm going to use this one and cut out the roofs on this. So my suggestion is cut them all out first. Don't be like me. Cut them out first, and then do your mix and match and have them all mixed and matched, ready to go when you're ready to assemble. This would be a really great thing to do with your kids. Oh my goodness. And see, that's plaid, so I know that's crooked. All right, I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, so I'm going to fold this over right to there. I'm going to do a little distressing on there. I'm going to do some distressing in there. And if those black lines are bothering you, just distress the heck out of them, okay? And I think I'm going to distress in there too. And there. All right. Where is it? Oh, I hit it. So it's going to go just like that. Isn't that cute? All right, let's put some, I think I'm going to put it on here. And remember, oh well, I don't know if you can remember. You might not have watched the Gifty Pockets, but you want some space to get into your pocket. So this will fold down like that. And the plaid and the polka dots kind of help us get it straight. Not that that's a horrible thing if you don't get it straight. All right, now, where's my doors? Here's my doors. And again, be really nice if they were all cut out. So I'm just going to cut this whole strip along here. And right up there. Right up there and there. Okay. And distress. Now, on the activities, I have given you a little tip on the top that says, plan ahead which date pocket you will put the activity in so that you can be prepared if items are needed. Now, I'm going to put Christmas carols in this one. We have books, Christmas carol books, but if you determine that on December 1st, which is I don't know. Alexa, what day of the week is December 1st?
December 1st, 2022 is on a Thursday.
So if you decide on Thursday, it's a good time to make Christmas cookies. Make sure you've got all the Christmas cookies ready. Don't put things in the pocket to surprise yourself because you may be surprised and can't do it. So I would print out a calendar, and I have some blank November, December calendar. And since November's almost done, you could go to Petresca Papers group, Facebook group, and print out the December and then write, okay, on the 1st, we're going to make cookies. The 2nd, we'll read a Christmas book. You might even write in there which Christmas book, or you may want them, whoever in your family, to choose the book. Okay? Okay. So I'm gluing on my door. Every time I glue a door down, I think, oh, I should make it so it can open. Could do that, but not this time. Okay, here's my door. I think that's even. Oh, cute. Okay, now here are my activities. So I'm going to cut out. No, we'll go all the way across. So my plan is I'm only going to make one of these with you. I don't think you need to watch me make more. Then I'm going to finish them. And then I'm going to take you into my house. And I'm going to show you as I assemble this on the cording by my fireplace. So, sing Christmas carols will go right down in there, just like that. You know, this is one of those weirdnesses. See how that plaid is off center? That makes this look off center, but it is centered. Okay? All right. So I'm going to continue on. This will be for sale, this digital kit in my Etsy shop. These are great papers that you can use for many other purposes. I have made them very basic. I haven't distressed them because I don't know where you're going to be cutting them. So hopefully this is something that will make your life easier. I know when my kids were little, we loved advent calendars. My grandkids are all grown up. I'm waiting for great grandkids, but no time soon. Okay. I'm okay. We can wait. But this would be a very fun thing to give to grandkids. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified when I get a crazy urge to come out to the Bluebird Bungalow. Please comment and give me a thumbs up. and we will talk again soon. Hey, thank you. Bye-bye.